is there. I'm going to switch to bleeds.
Go ahead.
Bleeds are transferred. Oh, it's kept it on. It's alright.
Alright, anti-airs off please.
Yeah, turn the anti-ice off now. There's anti-ice is on, I was holding them. There we go. Passenger signs, approach aids are set and identified. Passenger signs are on, water drain lines not required. Checklist is complete.
Thanks.
It's 1,000 feet.
Continue descent altitude 3,000 feet, cleared ILS approach runway 29, report established.
Descending 3,000 feet, cleared ILS approach runway 29.
3,000 feet is set.
Checked.
Is it kind of shaking, you see that?
Yeah, she doesn't like the low speeds and turns and stuff.
Speed 180 set.
Checked.
Reduce speed 180 knots.
Reducing 180. And we're just becoming established on the localizer now at 15 miles.
Roger, continue approach.
Continuing.
Cancel the captured, Mr. Approach is set.
Just as I said on the localizer,
Speed
I like-
5 flaps turning.
speed is check flaps.
Contact Wroclaw Tower 120.255, cześć.
120255. See ya.
Możemy iść expedite, okej? Okej, to ja Alpha Mix Bravo, send 1-1, expedite package Ryanair 7 Hotel Zulu.
Tower. Fully established ILS runway 29, 12 miles.
Wroclaw Tower, hello, QNH 1015, continue approach.
QNH 1015, continuing.
Okay, runway inside.
Just about, Jesus.
0 degrees, 8 knots, runway 29er, clear to land after landing backtrack.
Clear to land runway 29er and after landing backtrack.
Alright, speed 160 is set.
Checked.
Speed 185, gear down, flip 30.
Speed is checked, gear. Flaps.
Speed 136 is set. Speed 162, flaps 45, B for landing checklist.
That's 45. Something. Cabin is secure.
Secure.
Wing and tail anti-ice is off. Landing gear.
Unindicating.
Down indicating. Anti-skid system is checked. Thrust reversers.
Armed.
Armed. Flaps.
45.
45 set and indicating. Landing clearance is obtained. Checklist is complete. You're clear to land.
Okay. Following the glide slope very nicely. It's like fluctuating between 500 and 1000 stabilized.
Checked.
Okay, autopilot off.
Grabbed.
This was one of the rough ones. And the radio altimeter just gave us a red flag for a second, so there's definitely something going on.
Something off on it.
Well,
500.
It's approaching minimum.
checked.
It's the beacon.
400. 300. 200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Spoilers. To reverse. That's 60.
Patrick was approved already, right?
Yeah.
Just
Vacate left via Alpha next Bravo, stand 1 behind, follow me car.
Vacate Alpha then Bravo to stand 1 with the follow me. As yesterday.
yeah. favorite aircraft.
Oh, chalk it down.
Well, on Ryanair it's really committed, eh?
Yeah, sure. Must cost them nothing to have the hangars there. That's the only
Well,
kind.
those are not hangars, those are sheds.
Yeah. Either or.
After landing checklist.
Anti-kill. Cut off. Okay, after landing checklist. APU is on, ignition is off. Wing can anti-ice is off. Probes off. Windshield and window heat off. Transponder alt off. Flaps 0. Weather radar off. Flight spoilers retracted. Trims. It should be down here somewhere. Checklist is complete.
Yep.
Hey. How far away is this from Warsaw?
I mean, it is quite a large country, so it does
It's
take a
good
while. Yeah, but I wouldn't know the hours, but if I had to like really guess, it's probably like at least 4.
Oh yeah.
Not
Yeah,
by plane, of
'cause
course, but
like Ryanair really have moved into Poland as well. Like they do an awful lot of places from here. Like they do an awful lot of the Polish cities.
where they like to travel.
Oh yeah. I turn it off so he's not blinded.
Yep. Yesterday was just a little bit easier to follow because you could see the ground track in the rain. Oh, but do they know when it's... they're waiting for us there. Maybe it's even the same lad.
I bet you it is.
You just watch the right side there.
Yeah, I'm watching. You're clear here.
I really like when marshals take their job seriously.
Oh, it's the same little yellow bunny as yesterday. Yeah, he's good. Yeah, you're good.
And shut down checklist.
Shut down checklist. Park brake.
On.
Thrust reversers.
Stowed.
APU gen. Oh, I've never turned it on, sorry.
It's alright. I just always wait until it's nice and green and steady. APU gen on.
Checked. Gen 2 and Gen 1. Please don't kick it.
Tower Lima Papa Romeo 41, dzień dobry, localizer Lima Papa
That's good, yeah, perfect.
Tower Vita,
And Gen 1.
290 degrees, 8 knots, runway 29er, clear to land after landing.
It's okay. Right engine.
To land.
Oh, left and right boost pumps.
Yeah.
Expect Lima Papa Romeo 41.
Off.
Right engine.
Shut down.
Fuel system check valve operation.
Fasten seatbelts on. Please be seated and secure your seat.
Checked.
Pressures checked. Left engine.
Shut down.
The captain has just
No steering.
Off.
Beacon.
Off.
smoking materials at
Still no left low fuel pressure.
Yeah, it wouldn't come on now.
But why did the right come on? Oh, okay. Beacon, passenger signs, I leave them on. Wing car on the ice is off, windshield winning heat is low and off. AC transponders on standby.